What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor. This is the 907 Fantasy page, and this is where we like to profit off of sports. We got a good day today with some college football, NBA, and then we got NFL going on tomorrow. So we got some good plays for you guys today. Make sure to go over and get these locked in. You can use Chalkboard. They're going to give you $20. Sleeper's going to give you $20 and a Nikola Jokic free square. Better's going to give you $10 up to a $200 bonus and a Bijan Robinson free pick. And then Dabble's going to give you a free 25. So make sure to use code 907 Fantasy on any of those. Those links are all down in the description below. Taking a look at yesterday, what we did, we are hot right now. We hit this one for 5 and 850 there, 5 and 850 here with Mayava and Josh Giddey. And then we had this Julius Randle, Jaylen Brown. We had another Julius Randle one with LaMelo Ball, but LaMelo Ball didn't play, so we got a refund on that one. Then we hit this one, Jaylen Brown and Wallstead over on Sleeper. So we're hot right now. Make sure to go over there to Sleeper, Winible. Make sure to get it locked in on all of those. You can come over here to the Winible, winnable.com/907 Fantasy Sports. Get on the free plan, VIP gold level, full week pass, the season pass, whatever you guys prefer there. Gold level and full week pass both are 50% off right now with the code NBA. So make sure to go over there and get locked in. But let's go over here to Prizepicks and choose what we are going with today. So I'm taking a look at passing yards, and we're going over here to Kevin Jennings. Taking a look at what he's been doing. He's averaging 271. They're going up against Boston College. I like this spot for him here at 224. They should win this game outright. No questions asked there. Another one that I'm liking is Julian Sayin. Over here at 250. And we take a look at him. He's a little more hit and miss there. They're going up against Purdue. Purdue's not good. 281 over his last 5. I do like this line. We'll add it here. We'll see if we end up using that one or not. But I just like coming through here, looking at some of the ones that I like, adding them in there, and then at the end is when we'll really finalize that play for us. Taking a look at Garrett Nussmeier, I do like him over 200, but he's been kind of inconsistent, throwing for less yards. LSU is in shambles right now without their athletic director, head coach. Probably just going to stay away from that one there. And then coming down here, there's one that I like here on receiving. And if we come down here and we take a look, where is he at? Let's take a look at Jeremiah Smith. Over 50. I love that line there for him. Carnell Tate, I do like that one as well. Take him over 50 as well. Both of those guys get fed by Julian Sayin. And if we come down here, let's take a look here. Where's he at? Casey Concepcion. Take a look at him over 30. This is green money, green. 63 over his last 5. Lock that in. So what we're going to do here is anybody else that I'm looking at. Antonio Williams. Let's take a look at what he's been doing at 50 yards. He's been hitting this in the last 3 games, but kind of inconsistent there. Not loving that. Anybody else that we're looking at? Bernard and Ryan Williams are both good ones there. This may be it here. One other one that we could look at is rushing yards for, up here. No, he's down here. For Jeremiah Love. Averaging 122, went for 136, 228. Let's see what we can get his line down to here. We can get him at 70 yards. Going up against Navy. I like that there. So this is going to be the free pick. We're going to take Julian Sayin out. And we're going to put this 4-man in. Kevin Jennings over 224 or 225. Jeremiah Smith over 50. Casey Concepcion over 30. Jeremiah Love over 70 rushing yards. We're going to hit that with a power play. Double up our money, 5 into 10 there. So make sure to go over there, get that locked in. You can lock this in on Prizepicks, Sleeper, BETR, Chalkboard, whatever you guys want to play. But that is the official free pick for today. We got Kevin Jennings over 225, Jeremiah Smith over 50, Casey Concepcion over 30, and then Jeremiah Love over 70 rushing yards. We got some good games going on today. Indiana at Penn State, Georgia at Mississippi, BYU at Texas Tech. That should be a great game in Lubbock today. Texas is favored there, but BYU is undefeated. Interconference rival there. So this should be a good game there. Ohio State at Purdue. That one should be a blowout. Any other good ones? Texas A&M at Missouri. Oregon at Iowa. So we got some good games going on today. If you guys want to get on Winible on VIP, I'm going to be sending out. I already sent out 6 plays this morning. So make sure to go over there and get locked in. And let's go have another great day watching some college football and some NBA. I'll send out some NBA plays later on today as well. So go lock in and let's go have a great day. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow for some NFL football. Peace out and good luck.